Hi, my name is Charles and welcome back to another unboxing video. Today I'll be unboxing the Osmo Mobile 2 from DJI. It is bundled with a base for it to stand. Here are the boxes they came with. At the back there's a guide on how to use the base. On the Osmo Mobile 2 box, there's an authenticity sticker. This box differs from the boxes they have when it was first released, because this is a refurbished unit. It's the same way Apple sells refurbished products at a lower cost. Upon opening the box, we are greeted by a rather thick booklet and documentation. The Osmo is encased in a hard styrofoam, which can be a temporary carrying case if you don't have one yet. It came with a micro USB cable for charging. Here is the Osmo Mobile 2. It has a plastic build, but it doesn't feel cheap. We have some buttons and a joystick in front. On the side there's a controller for zooming in and out. At the back there's a USB output if you want to use it as a power bank. On the other side, we have a micro USB input to charge the Osmo. At the bottom, we have a screw mount if you want to attach it to a tripod or other similar accessories. Moving on to the smaller box. Here we have nothing but the base of the Osmo. It feels well built. There's a screw to fix the Osmo to the base. It also has rubber feet to prevent it from sliding. Before we use the Osmo, let's install first the DJI Go app, which is available on the App Store and the Play Store. Let's attach the phone to the Osmo. It works well without a phone case, but it still fits with the case that I'm using. Try to level the phone to the best possible angle. You can adjust the gears and the arm to help balance your phone. Let's turn the Osmo on by holding down the power button. There was an instance when after turning on the Osmo, it started freaking out. If that happens, turn the gimbal off and check if it's balanced or if the gears are tightened properly. Turning on the Osmo, the default mode is set to follow mode. Wherever you swing the Osmo, it will just follow your movement. Pressing the mode button will switch the mode to lock mode. This time, the Osmo will lock into the direction where your phone is facing. Pressing the mode button twice resets the direction. Pressing it 3 times switches the camera to the front or the rear. There are tons of features baked into the DJI Go app. There's object tracking, motion lapse, and many more. I usually use it for stabilizing and for pan shots using the native camera app. There's a much newer version of the Osmo that's packed with even greater features and a smaller form factor. But what hinders me from upgrading to the Osmo Mobile 4 is the lack of the remote controlled function, which is available on other mobile gimbals. So is the Osmo Mobile 2 still worth it for 2020 or even 2021? My answer is definitely yes. If you're like me and you're new to creating content or shooting on your phone, this is a big help to improve your videos. You can get this for around $60. That is already a great deal for a durable gimbal from a reputable brand. I hope you found this video interesting. If you liked it, click subscribe to get notified whenever I upload a new video. Stay safe and thank you for watching.